Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I understand, ma'am, but not fluent.
As long as you can communicate with the employer, is we don't have any problem. If you really
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know how to speak in English or you cannot understand English, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. 100%. I'm willing to work Malaysia.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am. I don't have friends there.
Okay. So are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I'm healthy.
Okay. So our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Why did you
agree.
choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I choose Malaysia, ma'am. I heard good country and safe.
Okay. So what is your name?
I'm Grace Pakinol. I'm 41 years old. I'm married. I have two sons, age 16 years old and 12 years old. I'm Protestant. My religion is Protestant.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. When is your birthday?
May 30, 1984.
What is your height and your weight?
My height 5, my weight 50
What is your
kilograms.
okay? So what is your educational background?
I graduated only high school graduate.
Okay, so you mentioned that you are married and you got two kids, which is 16 and 12 years old. Who will going
Yes,
to take
ma'am.
care of these children once you come to work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care?
My parents and my brother.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. Willing.
What about your husband?
My husband work in other place. Yes, my husband agree also.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
My husband age is 37 years old. He's construction worker.
Okay, so is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I'm first timer to go abroad.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brothers and only
You are the only girl.
the only girl. I'm
What is
eldest.
you are the eldest. Okay, what about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father age is 64. He's farmers and my mother also 61 years old. Uh, only uh,
Okay?
ano yun, te?
So, in your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines way back 2010 to 2018 and you work as a waitress for 8 years, right?
Yes, ma'am, in Bohol Bee Farm Resort.
In Farm Resort.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Dawis, Bohol.
Okay. After that, you have a working experience as a nanny way back 2020 to 2025 for 5 years, right?
Ma'am, in Manila, Philippines.
How many children did you take care?
Two, two children, age 10 years old and 12 years old.
10 years and 12 years is quite they are teenager already. So you still taking care of them, or you only assist them?
Uh, Take care and also work, cleaning house, all around.
You do
Take
the house
care also.
chores? You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am. And two pets also. I two
What kind
dogs.
of pet?
Dogs. Two
Two
dogs.
two dogs. Okay. What happened? Why you worked there for 5 years already and suddenly you just didn't continue working with your employer?
Because little salary, ma'am. That's why I I plan to go abroad.
Malaysia. Okay. So I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. As this is your
Yes,
first time working abroad, you need to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. It is not an easy
yes,
job, okay? Domestic helper is a very tough job and you need to clean the entire house. And if there is any children inside the house or elderly, you need to take care also at the same time.
yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I'm ready.
Houses here is very, very big, and employers here is very particular when it comes of cleanliness. Do you think you can handle it?
Yes, I handle, ma'am.
Okay, can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am. I have experience in
Okay.
Philippines.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What
I
variety
have,
of cuisine you can prepare? What dishes you can prepare then?
but only Filipino food. But I learn Malaysia food like that.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Mm. I try, ma'am. I try my
Yes or
best
no?
to. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, I have already experience in Philippines.
Okay. So you know that you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Are you aware of it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Once you breach your contract, you're also aware.
Yes, ma'am.
What will happen if you didn't finish your contract?
Um,
Okay, once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give them a better future, right?
yes,
And
ma'am.
if there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone also, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours. But instead, you can hold your phone during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Which means in our contract right now, we have 1,800 ringgit, but if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
Okay, so if you agree, then come here, work properly. Don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. As I have mentioned many times, we don't force people to come here. If you disagree, stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I
In
agree.
Philip
I go.
Okay, in Philippines you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia no such a thing. You can be the boss, you can be the stubborn in the Philippines, you can be rude, but not in any other countries. We need to stoop down our level, we need to be humble, we need to follow the rules and regulations, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Being a first timer also, homesickness will frequently attack you, what will you gonna do? Or how will you gonna handle your homesickness later?
I will pray always, ma'am, and I contact my family after my work.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Grace. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day. Bye.